Hello guys, welcome back to Algorina, and today's date 13 where we are doing Codeforces daily. Yeah, so in today's video we'll also covering some new and genuine questions that have a hidden pattern inside that. So let's start the questions, and yeah, we'll talk later while solving the questions without wasting any time. Let's just start the day 13. Let's start our first problem. Okay, so what's the problem? The depends on the first particular size of height and the meter. Okay, which planet the thing about the particular house. Okay, so we are given n numbers and integer k, right? We want to find the starting position of the subarray, the length k, that is the minimum sum, right? Okay, so we'll just take the input of the nk as an input. This array, the size of the array is till the n. We can also solve this using like sliding window 2, or we can or we'll solve this using sliding window 2. Like the perfect match of the sliding window. Sliding window is perfectly aligned with this question and requirements. So yeah, let me just give you a brief about the sliding window problem, sliding window approach. First, I'll just take an input of the n and k, and then next just I'll compute the sum of the first k elements. Right. This will serve the this will serve as a initial window. Of, okay. Now I'll slide the window across the array for each step. I subtract the element leaving the window and add the new element entering, as it's already said. This way I don't have to recalculate the sum from scratch, and it's zero we go one step. While sliding, I'll keep track of the minimum sum found so far and also remember the starting index of the sliding window, right? Finally, then at the last I'll print the index of the minimum sum array. Since the problem is expect one base indexing, I'll just add +1 in the answer, right? Yeah, it's easy. And also we can solve this using different approaches too. Let's just try to start to solve. Let's first initialize the n and k and just take input as n and k. Then we'll just initialize a vector name sum and just keep to size. I'll just keep the size of the n+1 because there's a one base indexing in the right. Then I'll just initialize a loop or one base. It's a one base indexing, so till the end, and right, we'll just take some sum sum of 5, and then just increment the sum of I minus 1, right? And let's just temp is equal to 1. Let's initialize that 1, and then I'll just again initialize a loop from the 1 till the n minus k plus 1 this time to covering the window, right? For covering the window, and I just stop my loop till n minus k plus 1, and then I'll just write a condition if int I is equal to, sorry, not int I, if sum of I plus k minus 1, right? If sum of I plus k minus 1 minus sum of I minus 1 is less than sum of temp Okay, so I'll just this and maybe I'm doing something wrong or I don't know. Let's just do. देखेंगे फिर बाद में क्या कुछ गलत हुआ है क्या. कहाँ तक पहुँचा. If okay, sum of temp plus k minus 1, temp plus k minus 1 minus sum of temp minus 1, right? If this condition meets, then we'll just temp is equal to I, and after this loop, when it comes out of the loop, we'll just print the temp, right? Let's just run. The approach was very simple and it just clearly shows in the question. I'll just put okay, yeah, it's correct. I'll just code it as it said in the question directly without doing any other changes or doing any other thing. And yeah, let's see. जब तक सबमिट हो रहा तब तक नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पढ़ता. नेपोलियन केक. This week what's the status? It's running. Okay, to bake a number of cakes on the bakery and delay layers and the put of the place a new cake on the living. Okay. These test cases contain number of test cases is 20,000 and the first line contains a 4 ticket. It's guaranteed like this. Okay. Oh, it's a pretty simple question actually. See, the thing what we have to do in the question is exactly written down already. There's nothing separate we have to like approach it or other things. There's everything that's already in the question. What's the status? It's already also running. Alright, let's just code this. Let's just start the code. बाकी का फिर जो आएगा कहाँ अटकेंगे क्या है वो देखते हैं आगे. जहाँ तक अप्रोच बन रही है जहाँ तक समझ में आ रहा है वहाँ तक तो कोड करें. First I'll just take input the test cases, right? And tell the test case. I use a separate function in this. Okay. Run. Let's just create a method run and run. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. White run. What you have to do is typically to doing this. Alright. Okay. First, it's a ritual to take the input. Then I'll just declare as stack in this because that cakes are already set in the cake stack size in stack form. Sorry, not in the int role. And what if I'll just use the boolean here to check that is it's a true or false or like 0 1 in the form. So I'll just use this here bool and what I call named it. Alright, just named it cakes, right? Okay, it's a vector name. It's not it's a vector. Vector. Alright, let's just till the starting and then what? Uh, just declare any declare other variable to that a, right? If I is till the I is less than n and just this plus I, then s dot push what I and just and here as the question said, then we have to take other output input, and I'll just take this input and till this till the stack size is not empty, and there's other condition too, is and if I minus a is less than stack dot top, because it also all depends on the top of the stack, right? It's all depends on, so we'll just calculate according to the top of the stack. Then we'll just use the cakes of s dot top, just initialize it to the 1 and just pop it, right? And for okay, so to print the output, I'll just run a loop till the end and just see out cakes of fire, because it gives the output in the array form and the vector form too in a separate lines, right? Or I have to use this, just remove this to clear the after using this bracket there it will be a little confusing. Now it's clear for me, right? All right, let's not, it's not handle, actually it's not really handle, it's spacing here, because we use the handle in the next line too. The separation, let's start, let's check what the accepted. Okay, that's 110 111 and then 0 infinite 1 and then last 0011 and then last 0000. It's correct. Let's try to submit. Let's see क्या होता है. सो यार अभी मैं रैंडमली क्वेश्चंस कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन कुछ टाइम बाद मैं प्रीफिक्स सम का 2D प्रीफिक्स सम और उनके वीडियोस बनाऊंगा. देन विल सॉल्व सम इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन लाइक 4 to 5 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जिनमें पैटर्न्स रिटर्न होंगे. हम वो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे फॉर द प्रीफिक्स सम. ये क्वेश्चंस भी प्रीफिक्स सम से हो सकते हैं. मैं जस्ट अभी जिस भी मेथड से मेरे को ज़्यादा अच्छे से आ रहा है सो दैट कि मैं अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर पाऊँ या फिर लाइव ऐसा वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करते टाइम फास्टली कर पाऊँ, मैं कर रहा हूँ. थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंट में हो जाऊंगा इस चीज़ में, वीडियोस अपलोड करने में, रिकॉर्ड करने में. देन आई जस्ट यूज फ्रॉम द ब्रूट फोर्स टिल ऑप्टिमाइज, जितनी भी ऑप्टिमाइज होंगी, जितनी भी ब्रूट फोर्स होंगी, सारी डिस्कस करेंगे फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग टिल द एंड, राइट? सो या मिलते हैं फिर अगली वीडियो में. टिल देन just keep subscribe the channel and press the notification bell while daily uploading the videos. And so तुम लोग भी करो कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ. मार्केट धीरे धीरे थोड़ा सही होने वाला है और धीरे धीरे सही हो भी रहा है, हायरिंग्स हो रही हैं, लेकिन जस्ट फॉर दैट पीपल जिनके पास स्किल्स है, ओके, जिनकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स अच्छी है. टॉप एमएनसीज अगर क्रैक करनी है देन दे आर ऑल्सो only seeing that the candidate have all a lot of problem solving skills or not. Okay, so yeah, thank you.